1, 2. Iba hi kasing chang saka aksi pangkhang mikila. Macang mana da kuyaw ke. Isiwi hi third in a hobok re. Third, firstly third, first peak jit third, jena second, jena first, jiwajali consolation nga jidra no se. Isiwi kasa ra hi. Hiba hi na number 1, hiba hi na number 2, 3, 4. Subki jara na hili aka first sub fure bol khani jang dak le nei hili bol jiko jang thara jang dak le nei hi aka sub chena hi aka sub 1000 series side the box mati ka kai ne hi mi aka na kha check ra sa mi kla number bing hi amai mum aksi number bing hi check ra sa mi kla free and fair sa fai Ili number 0 and 1 jang dak lene akana 0 akana 1 sangon ibai le check sa milakon 0 1 2 3 4 ta kaun sa sang milakon Hiwi lottery draw kasa we sequence kata hi rules mathai ne ke chang sala apang khang ka mikla ta ga explain masalu la thada chatau se yo thak la thak mai kwai che hi sam hung le le ga ina Isi we lottery hi ma yor ka khoi la tra ka changai re chi dai da blank in a chang da klei nei asama ka sop adam tharan blank sa sa ka la lui da sa lui re chi da la lui da ka sa je khani si chance mi re ka thum ma ba se blank ung ta ka ta adam le wa chi wa iram ka tam naw long te nem ka tam naw long we saw ro ko ji hi ya re le ka stay san le che nang so da Isiwi hi booklet number 9012 950 09012 0950 Jena akana 0512 0600 hi mi khani lungnem wasi kala remission ws anina isili katam naulong le khangchon sa da anina booklet hi atang ina lomi khai ne Jena hiwi number hi ungda ka ani na kui papa maure Jena khangda akana mi akana number akha ina phau hai la ka now da rak so patam tharan le number ji chap cha da sa loi ka ji invalid rai serial number akana akha simang phau pai rai Jena hiwi Kasa hili mo kata mo wa kasong lay sa le chui final decision hi isui LOC na kui mi hore are isui program isui kila lottery hi ho ko vai sau se jena hi sup khwai hi pa hi cái tiêu ai chứ na cho bây giờ nào nó sai là nào nó sai cái gì tay đây pa hi bây giờ nào bằng mất trong vậy thì lấy mấy yang mình là sốc cái số tám thì lấy mấy yang chẳng mình là thay chẳng mà quên là cái sao mình cái phải chỉ là policy lấy chứ này suy hi à mấy mong lẽ cái gì chỉ ham được học cái lẽ cái gì sốc ninh mình à chỉ vang mình nên là mình cái bằng mình sốc cái vai người là nào isu hi cái thằng mình đã sai sẽ mình cái bằng ấy là cái là full sốc sao có sẽ người là nào cái đó ngala nawa ka panggulo ana sok supore nana ka pangmilos ni ta free and fair sa ka vai ano sa tun Janet ari ana sopki hina third prize we go third prize 50,000 we go ana sopki jina nala yang check some one one second some yolo no winning chẳng ác cơ three one ôi three trên này check sao mình là câu luôn 1 3 27 booklet number 27 ले check sao mình luôn 1313
Maya so Shongzhen Tây Nam
Iram na tapa pa mare price là nên là mi thao luôn cái tuần này đây hôm nay đây Maya so Shongzhen hili lấy cái lấy sao nhỉ lấy sorry lấy isi alo sili chẳng đặc lấy na hila hiva ra là cái song ran mi cái vai request sát lấy Ari hi isi ZTKL we president amai vremong na ngaran mi horun third prize 50,000 Ari là mấy vremong na ngalan nawa ka pa ko million na ai xong mình là mất thấy này khi bác lại là mất thấy là ta cái bằng của cái này friend fair này phan này đây mấy dần mì lò cái lên sorry zero Ari hi buy hina second prize we go 70,000 three quên mi buy one zero 0310 7 Balin na check sa mi ulo 0310 0310 alung li chang le le 0 hi 0 chang ngai ta kyo 310 310 310 mai mung na check sam la
Sojon Kamsang. Sojon Kamrang.
Sojon Kamrang Somdal Elimination sanik liang rak biko mai mong thang aka nana yang ne sam Ari phone ji laru amai mong na suggest ka sai re phone la aru ing lang ta sau se nó sẽ mấy mông number try sa sal ba jem phone saman aru je nak sa jem chature Ari on the big side is by in the first prize we go. First prize. Sorry. First prize we go. 1 lakh. Oje ali yari mangali ngaran stay lo yo. 0 serious winner. 3 or 8 4 6 0846 0846 800 series 17 Chile yang lo chon na 846 Oh playing Isa wi hi playing ung tai re Playing akasi ung ta kai ko yo ka ka thum ma pa le wa tenem KATAMNAO long wi sau sei ta da sub le holo atam ma sai kwa yo ya ri na pa che Aroi je ma yor ko khoi le jang kai ne 1 6 2 7 23 Ele check samyo 1627 1627 1627 Oh chimning to Oh isui hi pleng ung ta lue re ma yor ga khui li chang kai ne isui hi ma yor ga khui tra ka chang ai da cho na na ka po le ho lo cho ha na nan so ho lo cho ti ba hi nge chi je ne no他在烧毁了，没用了。Zero series. Five. Three. Six. 0536 31 31 0536 536 hi bai hi la pleng ung dai re acha bai hi clear ka sam yau ke hi bai third level ka tam nau long wi sau se nei ka chance ak se mi house first prize ka jang da hi ka tam nau long da khui pa mai kam ring pham re hi bai hi chance ak se mi house yo chena ak si sup lui se hi bai hi arui wa pleng sa lui ka tam nau long wi sau se ya re so any volunteers so mi kwai ngala no any volunteers ai so mi yer no lo sa pa ari tha sa pa kim tam so any volunteers so kai re ta de khai ko la chang pa la Zero series. Six. No, oh, 9. 1. 5. 0 9 1 5. 915. 19. Oh, 19. Isui booklet by here. Lung name wasi. Lung name wasi na full booklet lo ka khoi chli chang kai ne. Ana ning tong la ke na isi mu yor khoi thai chu da ka chi ha madam le ai na full booklet lo miao ke da lo khami sa ko ibai hi ya release thing ngai la le ning si chung ko bong sok le ala ti sar sala ke na ko khoi na ta khoi chena rui consolation hi va 5000 each ne chena 5 in a hobok la 1 in a hobok la ngai cha hom re consolation hi phanga si da sau se chena rui la any volunteers sub mi khwai any volunteers so isi we ha tam kha thak mai khwai ina naus nawa kha thai le la ko kha thai le ale khogla khoke agdo na aksi sok mikila so no winning jang pola ka ta khama ko le yo na la ro sai ya na ne yang 1 next topic 3 6 6 1 3 6 6 28. 28. May aksi check rasa mikila. No side there. 1366. Cho to next scenario.
Jihanso Tashar.
Jihanso tu sarwe ne.
1366.
As ahi ayal le pamui mine chipe ne ksane. Helim chang samraum ne. 1366 Jihanso tu sar. Jihanso tu sar 5,000. Arui tu sar we na Jihanso we ngasot now or sim kur chang le sar la le. Naram now li camera pumping Jihanso we ngasot now or sim kur le sar la. Oh panai re. Ina ta dang na nok. Tu sar we president ne. Arui la any volunteers arui la matiwat le. Any volunteers? So may na sumyaw lo sa river. Zero. You see we hit zero series. If I hila 5,000 ne. 3. 8. 5 0 3 8 5 385 8 series 385 385 385 but you can mix up something.
Vi Temsongam Loli Ukrur.
Temsongam Loli Ukrul. Oh. Iwa we sim krung so na mo chang sa nikle. Chang sa ka ari le ramikila. Temsongam Joli. Jipasi phone number chang ai de is na not sam yo ga yo. Saul, direct source. 1 9 7 5 1975 last 40. 1975.
Ramreshang Vashi of the name.
Ramray Sang Vasi Iram Church we treasurer ne. Ari limra sa niklayang. Maram ni che. Isinang ran okay. Ali accountant le ne. Ali myorun. One. 3 9 8 1398 28 7 1 hi pai hi la pleng sai re isi iram nau na phau gai dai hi pai hi la pleng pai la invalid house salary house katamnao long ma khui salary house ma phau rang ngai dang da sa sa ra zero 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 wow five number five number five
Pilas Singh Tuitung Kashung. Pilas Singh Tuitung of Kashung.
lim rap sam rai chỉ ba chỉ xin nốt xóm méo cái là cái xin ngan méo kia last consolation one zero zero 1100 1100 one and you know first 1100 1100 22 1100 last
VS Yao collect chila. They name Phunghon.
VS Yao collect they name Phunghon Tang Ari limra sanik leyang cepat jela isi nangra noke asi wisim kur chang asi wisim kur naunga ra samra we asi ra ka le sok kui milakila hi vai ram nau sai de le mangale sok kui min sangai Yao collect anong la vô sokrat le cho isi wi lottery hi ling sangai re lottery lomi ka hai ma phau sa la katamnao long wi wang tainem katamnao long wi wang khang chon la ge da phaning la ka lomi ka hai na thom chon mi khai na thom sai ko le ning si phong sok le na thom sai ko la mathang le wa phau khwai ka la mathang le la khu khang dei na sa sa la khang chon ge ji hi dong le leng lung ni tha da le ching le sak khwai na thom sai ko la le si da policy le ning si na ge re
Good evening. Good evening, ZINGTUN now being and online viewers. I am Sonan Ngakang and I am thrilled to be your host for tonight. Tonight we have our season's quiz master, who is none other than Mr. Ringam Rungsung, Assistant Professor, St. Joseph College, Ukru, a veteran with numerous successful events under his belt. He will challenge your knowledge and keep you on the edge of your seats. And unfortunately, due to unforeseen rain and technical difficulties, we are forced to shift the venue for tonight. We apologize for any inconveniences and appreciate your understanding. Now let's get ready for a fun-filled evening of questions, answers, and excitement. Let's begin, and thank you all for coming. Ara itumui programi habo kawai in a program jithemika jena opening prayer hi kuiru maya so songzan introduction and presentation hi issue conference with convener word of encouragement hi as Ning Chipe, former president ZTKL for the tenure of 1993 to 1995. Juitili quiz competition later. After that, result declaration and prize distribution and closing prayer. Arahaw po kawai issue opening prayer hi Mr. Mayaso Songzan an siha kakasami no.
Isu program habok vai saya say. Rekamtaya sasa pangsham na pemting ka bra. ZINGTUN KATAMNAO long we proho. 33rd General Conference proho na habok thang ina twilaga. Pro itum sai ko relinana. Thanra mida arayatam hirashung kang sagne. Itum nalining shiye. Nolu kumashan chi shan kwilaga proho itum Miyavu we ulangli masoch katale are ata mitran le bro itum program aka quiz competition hi hopok vai bro itum langjin chada bro ngran ko bhaire bro ara hopok vai nali khamaya podleli nanalumshan milo than mi gji kala participate sa gji kala yang mi gji itum sai ko le bro no mangla jna chpemida bro kan khana tam sang sang lo itum le bro no so khmi chumwa lakla Soromida, Hog Pogana Twilaga, Mako Brankanda, no Monglazino itumli, Tan Miser Luda, Chishu mings in the Saxane. Amen.
(33rd) ZINGTUN TANGKHUL KATAMNAO long we General Conference quiz Hanwing ya ilirajang hai na thumsai koruli latlu shita welcome sadale arui atam hitran chakmai khiste yichumi former president khri lisa ka president pingli hosare ka songfu ma khamtha ka chingyat ma khamtha wi lungli aju kula ma haila kaina kala kula ma hai la kaina kala ram hili wi aina la former president sa ka sa akhlei dele Ichum katamnao kutong ichum na ram hiwi na la ala president sa ye kichi thaibai me khwai ina akshi chakmai chithai mi ge Sir S Ningchipei hina 1993 to 1995 isi ZINGTUN TANGKHUL KATAMNAO long we president sa ye ichumi khya kashi sada sarna akshi stage likra milo chakmai chithai mi ge Sir Ningchipei They name we ainane ahi Jinang soda Katamnao long we ichumi conference we souvenir sada Katewa out now hi panan ngai dele sar na khamtha ring phai na khim lo China mata lui la tam hi save sa bai mi phai phon da sar na awe tam ji khim yaw no
宁西拉开的ZINGTUN 당구 그తం nolongwi President sa saije kjiwi kharajan wi wangena kharajan ji mangena hida da khya khmi thailaga I ningsi kjung pongsok dele iwi sa ga sab kthai thangkhmai khi khamale lakbane kha jitha saiji ko kjiwi kharajan ji mangena abam hili khangning sam ga phangni ji ZINGTUN 당구 그తం nolongwi President colleagues ping kala ithumli thangjida nganaumi chingda gale ka sa khwa jili ningsi kjung pongsok dele ina hangkhwai le kjung male mene adam lang chilak hay adam ne thasalala adam ji mi haugi da sulak haya sumatai la sumai da hangre rajang da khle mi hi yang ga comparatively ground jeni yang ga tyam me khare khara da khle bing hi ile hanglos ga very important person jili kjung ga bom chalala hili tyawlak ina bom da khle bing hi na important sambai gi ikhire ning share iwe adam hi ia jingum lam laire sa gine chithran li chitha da sa sai gu jingum la im laire sai kana thum da ili tharmi aud ining si la khare iwe adam hi jingum 25 years hi running sa da le ga president ga sa ne abong ga re yang si ingni chon iwe colleagues ping hi ili ram ri sar ina ngani mai thui iwe azon iwe amai mang da athumli colleagues sar ga ing so sai 이링 파나이 이위 사가 되면은 뭐다 아tum나 지살로 지와로 더 항미더 잉어뱅 럭이노 옥티 탕가니다 아tum나 일리마 익실마 밀락문에 그 그리지지 이네 구이호 링 파나가 지들라 프레시덴살로 그 이는 거니 뭐 투이그지고 이위 아둥리 이네 프레시덴사 사가지 이마더 큰나 그지 लगा ये एक्सपीरियंस में लगे जी आतो में एक्सपीरियंस में मांग होता जिसारान को जिले वालों पमलो को जी आतुंदा हंग मिशन हो गए ये कसाई हिंग बेंग को इन्हें फुंग ज़्यादा नाव आखंग सासे रिंगशी रिंगपाई जी हंग कहीं ने अब वहाँ गली इवी पीरियड ही one of the biggest period as well as the most puzzling जंजर nglang jar mai thui ke ji period li kalau oguti pung ba mai kap ki ja adam di sokte kiwang kala ga ukhro apam hili NSF conference muyon da ZINGTUN kitam na long na hosai galang jar mathangli kongjai ra sokte kongjai ra sokhi itumna direct involve ka sanda condition baji ne itumli circumstance baji ne itun compare sa de mawa ku sok musa bai mre jaw de itum maw sok de sa se de jang ji yu khmoi na maw sok na maw sok phung re jaw de I maw sok ngai lak ban innocent person khyon ma khreping mi ku chung ga bita de I jiwang regret sai athum ji gu fail wa laga I na maw sok hai de le ju na athum thi da asita laga ji khur fail bita de le I ning chot lak चिथरानली कारिम ले सामने फोन में ले सामने हिली थी हाय देखले कोंजाई नाउ बिंग साथा थाय देखले हिली खुंग देखले ये ngai nguli miye ne ngosong de miye ne khuisang sibai ne rim hau de itum hi ngia song cha son jigito adam ngsaw de itum puzzling sala khaya adam ma khali hang se jiga itum na ga naw ina na ga naw hi sathat ngorok sa ga jigo for example itum we kaplang basina itum di rimbam hauda itum mazak bai tra khale sai jiwa adam di itum naga nau hi naga tribe tong ga jibde ko himali chili gasang ji itum mi mitili ga bangwi tangkhur we na representative me pati sunau khoni mi na khoni itum sang long rei la long phang la TKS la to ga sang ga itum di jiwi in charge mi ga ji itum jili sang bam ngi la ga sang bam tangkhur uniform wai gi de sakla ge iwing so na ga ineng so de gleng so na ga ji a thi haude kari ka dong ho we ka tha de thi hau lu jim kali lai ga what about a kali lai ga ma thai gi ji yaron ma tha na ga ji a so lep lu na ga ji chak shipot khai I bali tai khui gi ji chu ya dam jung so de puzzling jang dar li dum ok thi sa ga ji jile wa ga jang de ning shi ngalang zalak hai cholak hai adam thalaga ku hai wi li 呀，这个他为adam是蒙得人怕的，我们来查西个着，我能么这查西个着，这里个十多个来个着的了，今呢，这派的，伊呢航开吧呢，京东个他们弄呢，伊里这他的啥赛教的开米的个伊人怕那个，伊他的我宁人就么平常拉么呢，个钱了么钱么呢，个干了么干爱么呢，因为阿这了么就听爱么呢伊了，伊他妈。伊 president 个啥的 spectacle 这个那个生了个这的，希望了这个欧国体呢 road 么好的，我在店里弄的，我在 mix 发生弄的，那同里公在那边的 hotel 里，这啥子的里过去，他看你的一定 hotel 里没比拉不呢，比花帮了么嘞？可那同的伊里他的开米的可以他那个人怕那个阿就 president 他那个奥 colleagues 兵呢。former president 你这家开始那个呢，伊里生活可以生帮了啦，他的个这个他阿爸生帮了啦，伊里米说的个哩人派，您写的，他的个中个行快来嘞，行了行退么的，他说了，伊那行开个呢，伊他们京东个他们弄起，可能那边的怕说开这个嘞起，看个人么正啥么个，可因为阿他们哩，因为 colleagues 兵哩，呀个他是，我个推那个是好个的。伊图梅，可能看个人怕没给在的，伊图梅因为阿damn里看个了以后个破呢。colleagues 平里，因为 executive 平里，我好亏那个 parliament 里 assembly 去搞谁教的，距离好个破呢。可能那边我看个了有么正常个事，因为比了以后破搞诶，没宁么啦？但伊就往浪上没宁过，可伊阿帮个里伊可能诶，伊呢好破那个阿腾伊呢公在那里 example 可米他的。阿瑞希里好破那个，那他们的看个了，里看个木看个说啥个把新那个字，人里插嘴。我们好些个着，西达好些个着，患者好些个着，没怕个说呢，没看个了呢怕没个的了。伊呢，等好些，他们说那个他们会呢，可他们那东西，伊呢行开吧呢，伊看个对里风声看对关键么啥那个呢？哎呀，总当了一年行下来，一人闹里来行诶，因为个说闹病里行诶，龙胖了来诶，上面样来哩，啥摆些个着？京东当初个他们闹龙个就去呢，level 个丢个就没那个 standard 把去是真爱，一起把那个跟他们啥么个 ？I never condemn to the 上面 I never condemn to the 龙胖，一龙胖里跟他们啥拉混，可啥摆些个着？京东个他们闹龙的叫会的。伊他们 standard 把一个丢个最美的屋顶哎，是真爱。这那位以为的来口，伊那行算啥了，那行算啥了，真乌大个白没人们呢。真的，可你说平来行开吧呢，那他们个十倍的拉力当快少了，拉力添个快少了，拉力添了没跟可哪个来口，拉力还那个来修黑的吧。没地闹里不毛个的，没地就没地说开的。明了，哪里个添哪个去？阿这阿里没推个去，现在啥没留个去？京东那边，哪里个添多少个来？阿这阿里没推个，没个添的怕没个去的了。哪里添快少了？阿这阿里推快少了。明了，现在他们带呢？那最拉个还呀，我帮你帮啥了呗？아주 이tum의 LOC 살라가 징든 그담 노롱나 키가 살라가 이tum나 미그 지불이 아밤 그 지불이 간택라 사용하래 야 라리가 템라게 뚫어버 트라가자이 트라가 선방대 그거 다시 social life social being social animal 그지 멀리 투기다 이tum리가 싹 트라가 선방에 지위방은데 예 라리가 템 싹가예 아치아레라 social life le ya chili le chat ngsak ngai phaire atam trak le atam hi itum wa sa khoi trak le au ke de ma hang thai sal hang khoi le trak le khai he ne tang ho sai larik them lo ase are the lo kala itum mi racing sau ke de racing mi rin li ngorong ri ene phai ka hi itum mi tarkar ni itum mi kharing khrak tarkar hi na matai mi thui nimla chiwang de larik them lo ase are the lo kala itumwi mangla rin le itum thukwi de chit kwai sa se gi hang la ga tang ho se thank you
ning shinai re ojali nana long lau hi wang sami ka hai kala ka ka shungo otsak sati the ka hai ji itum na phaning ong jing re kala na wi mirin vrena somi dam ok bay mirin kala manga khawa mirin sa jing ro no ara nextly issue wi azung ya wi main event hi hapok au se jena issue wi quiz master here so rin ngam rung sung na dam rak wi mirin no
Rag zip kaya. Mi pusai ko really ring pa shala midale participants bingli mohoshok chaurang laka hita da tuikur ka hangai issue we 33rd conference li matai lagena katamnao long sao da literary items li focus hangai da chan ngajek phoge itum phaisa ka phali chungka ka chot sambhange aj literary item ka to ong hi quiz labai poetry labai painting kala students parliament katong hing room laga hi itum le laula gaina kala mai la gaina itum inga sono la sa sada hi organization akana itum le sponsor sak mine sorry Northeast Foundation for Education Culture da nefek ukruli headquarters halaga hiwi matara gina yang sang da khlai pingla ishi zingtun naw nei ringwi we na thade we na dang so naw kuchunga chimang maning la itumwi zingtun mang maning la area gate we mila jang laga so naw kuchunga na hida da ishi we literary item li support sami da khlai ne nefek Northeast Foundation for Education and Culture da katamnao bingli focus halaga literary item kum chi da ichu fest la ukruli ashina singada aponga ta ing de da lan gu chung ga ding mi ach literary item ko tong hi ashina sponsor sak mi ne itum limang room rer thure thalala online na yang mi da le da si change ning she ne fakli yar we ko tong na re mai thui da ne fak wi wang pangla ga nak chi da pang ga phemi se quiz hadangoni issue with special appearance paula kaya artist ho hai gsane ka athangwi ka jingjin na masa pai to the groundly khangreo no bingai na tang da ma za rer thu gine ka jing kya ka hamla la mayena trji rui shokla la matheng legi gi ka jing sauda hili hong da ra jaw da itumi saunui problem gu chung ga le ra je da artist ji ishi hida da cancel sa gai ne yarina phyaw mi ra da shi change quiz important sala gai item akne hi sarag ji hi kandak kasaba maning la hi we preparation changda khle hi kachunga na mathai samra ka kachang aka khani prepare sa laga sa shon ga jine hi competitive exam la maning mane quiz wa 50% ni lari ka thiam nei 50% wa kala li la layauda hi we question arrangement kasali ka chunga chot ga jide iwing so no so ja chong ga jiping na thai da le ram shongfu zara la quiz question ma chuk la ga la zat ka ja dam ga ba ye ayar we nang so no bing chung da la hi pha ye hi tha ye ga la sam ye now the gala mai da iprev sagi gi jara ya li bom da kle chennai ga thali la ga li athum mai ndan da lang chon mi da kle de hya ga chot da kandak sagi da kle de illi ngala hui lo da hang da kle bing li ji ga hang sa ne yo ara participant ka tong na stage liga mi lo laga itu mai sit khui mi se khrawak phon da serial number khui laga serial wise na pamau se laga in a criteria ji hang mi re thak laga na gupsang ga vaisa se rag jep ga tong itum ripsa da hopok laga ripsa da gupsang ga vaisa se participants ka tong ra lo laga serial number ka khui mi lo phon da sit ji serial wise na khui mi se Sir, number 1 ne hiwagramilo 1 2 3 da matang matang base lamlang marathura kala dora majang mara jaina kido participants group thara 1 2 da matang matang pimil 10 baji na mangali pamgi jine exam a khathar jakava larik sakchang da bag jine yarui mangali question han laga answer attempt sagi gi chi in a quiz ka sang ka chung ka kandak sa ga zatli winner jang jat kai ka chung ka jang dale ajak ma chu cher gai ni itu mi jingtun mang maning la even state li la represent sa gai issue we participants ang dale ning she na thum sakla gai na larik dam zadak leni ot manga ga jawi sa zadak leni exam tha zadak leni khar ramui ma yang da apam ga tai ngi da kachunga hi aj issue we conference li direct ra ga jang majang mane kachunga ga jine atumi travel salaga ra ga ni aj orientation na sa ga ni ishi systematic sala ga na sanga yaw da participant kachung ga ra ye sekhor ba simang mara mane ashi travel sa ga ga ta na pam ga ga da kalak shi saura jibaji sekho we kathan ping na not samilo kadaiva orientation jang ser ga ni participants ko tong we wang akshida pang la ga na ga phem yaw sne Serial number 1 to 10 ne 1 to 10 hi itumna khu kala aming atum participants kala ki sada legi ji baye yarwi ga tongana ka thei dargar sa yejena akshida round of introduction as house
iwi aming na soyar ngalong hoye ina rungiram honwe ne represent sane
iwi aming na worrying ina rungiram mon ne represent sane
iwi na ramyek ina ringwe ne
Iwi aming na warrior hoye in ila ringwe ne.
Iwi aming na rormi pungshok ina somdal ne.
Iwi aming na ranyo muiwa ina somdal na represent sane.
iwi aming na linas longlang idali ne
iwi aming na Stephen tului ne iwi aming na ungri thei muinaw ina ngai ngai represent sane
iwi aming na rohor shmai ngai ngai ne
Iwi aming na Julia limik ina share kongwen ne.
iwi aming na yin ring woleng ina srar kongwen ne
iwi aming na David sebai naw ina de shawen ne
Hungting Aungshi representing Tisha village
iwi aming na Somi Kanzemik ina Sekho Wen
Iwi aming na Timchan ina Sekho Wen ne.
I'm Tamya Longhar from Temnem village.
iwi aming na Hoshok Longhar i Teniem Wen ne
iwi aming na Yungringam Phali Wen ne
iwi aming na Edril Jogoi Phali Wen ne
cho ka chi da pang lai ga phem yaw sne thumui wang nam 2022 li talui li chubli mayon laga chili la quiz sai in a quiz master sai chili quiz defense ga hai aj ishi president we ram phali na first quiz second hi talui na in a phaniung so ne tai sa laga question aka katyo ga kira sang ro laga dalui na second kala first hi phali na quiz aj la defense ga vai sa lo kala chikum ji mag gui ping la aj va chi defeat sa ga vai sa lo ji hangai participants ko dong li all the best issue we round hi elimination round kala final round the khani aina sara first round hi elimination ne hili ari dim thrang ji tu daina bam dale hili masang lila dim mati tawra tharuk na final round bagi ji ne ara first round elimination ni ka da sara kala jalaga atumli fair sa ka vai da question 7 each miaura mira atumna ji ka piaura akham masung ga wa 10 points sambangra ji minute ka thumli khani dang khali kupsang palongra ji points si calculate sa da le laka second round sara ji passing round sara kalaga thumli buzzer round da salaga jina elimination round kupsangra ji we top 6 pamra katai ji tawra ji we next round baji ina hangmi mamanra fear salaga in sanga ye khajbaji ishi adam lamba lai thu da envelope ready sai re first round we first question hi issue we iling John mapping na kira samilo point counterly scorerly issue we compare sami the clear Mr. Victor and samira kala iling John ki ji hili Miss Lasio ko tong am hang lege le ka thum mati le de le ko tong na iling John mi gi jine quiz mapung phala ge na kup sang vai sa se first round we one question ji serve samilo pen khuralo da hangsel ge ni by chance malaya sakha lo khui pai ra ta pen your milo team avavu when a question avavu Joe, your time starts now. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, our first round we question ni kya ka sakla gi jina thum leina pa mira answer mahang milo pon the hili correction sa laga points delhi sam manra. First round hi pa me thui gi jine ngate the sports wila jang da aw thumi question jina pa mi ge na thai sani ga ma thai sani gla. Okay, first question li what is the headquarter of WHO? WHO. Second question, what is the name of the first artificial satellite launched into space? That was the second question. And the third is, who developed the theory of evolution? Fourth question, the first man to walk on the moon was, in the fourth question, the Greek city of Athens is seen to bring about the present day concept. A. Option medley, communism. B. Totalitarianism. C. Democracy. D. Feudalism. G. Atumna tiksara. Kala question katrukali. Which is the oldest civilization in India? And the last question is, who was the missile man of India? The kai ka vathesir salabai. Collect some in Manze, Kupsangare Gaga. Ishi Sapai cover guide Aga can he let me rubber mill, so there goes a son gigs in it. Nishnara, a river, guide Bashi Rama Mandel, Gashi Miakana. Joe. Certain by Naming Kupsangare Lea, a duly in a heading hungary. Please write your serial number and the name of the village. Kabisanglo, Higamadamane. Adama Vataleka, the Kupaika collects some manolo. 20 seconds. Jo, kubai ka tada lisa mi 15 seconds. No negative marking. Jo, 10 seconds. Jo, ishi volunteers na collect samyolo adam daire. Jo, time's up. Jo, submit samyolo. Please. Kuyalo. Okay, Kuber. Serial number plus name Kabisang yang. Kabisang serial la yang. Okay. In the first round ni, total 70 points ni. Our second round. Second round hi hina sang mai tuira passing round sara. Serial number 1 hina awi. Question number 1 hili ready sagani. 2 na 2 the ready sagani hi baiwa. Mathaya cover pass sagi ni. Thaya cover answer ji mashunga cover 10 points. Nana edem akshimang sabaira 7 seconds mira. Jinguya cover second edem sabay mira. Negative marking malay mira. Yeah. Paptay re. Okay. Mic 2. 7 seconds. Okay, now we question serial number 1 side hili lay guy ni mathega pasagi gijini. Now we question in the Bamige. One engineer have created history by creating an artificial sun known as experimental advanced superconducting tokamak that can produce 7 times more energy and 7 times hotter than the sun's core. That one engineer belongs to which country? Achon dangcham chimikli sa kamaya ka ana phashok kjine 7 times hotter.
Japan.
Wrong? Pass.
China.
Correct. 5 points for serial number 2. Okay. Question for serial number 2. Which country's former president, Jimmy Carter, recently passed away at the age of 100? I repeat. Which country's former president, Jimmy Carter, recently passed away at the age of 100?
United Kingdom.
Wrong? President aka thi gai na chon thang cham jingkum sha kali awa ming na Jimmy Carter hoye edem sabaye pass
Mexico.
wrong
USA.
correct 5 points for serial number 5. Okay, next serial number 3. Okay, a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck Myanmar and Thailand. In Bangkok, the tremors led to the collapse of an unfinished 30-story building. Overall, the earthquake has resulted in nearly 3,000 deaths and thousands of injuries across the affected region. On what date did the 7.7 magnitude earthquake strike, severely affecting Myanmar and Thailand? Achon cham earthquake panglagay na kasok je katharan kala. Myanmar, Thailand le mi thingkhani thingkhachum lang da thigai ne
28 March.
28 March. Correct. 10 points for cell number 3. Cell number 4. Which is the largest prison jail in India? Hak mai thui ke je prison jail.
Tihar Jail.
Correct. Tihar jail in Delhi. 10 points. Cell number 5. Which is the financial capital of India? Financial, Paisawi capital of India.
Mumbai.
Correct. Again 10 points. So, thay na le go. Cell number 6, right? 7. 6, yeah? 6. Okay. Who is the chairman of the organizing committee for the Shiri Lily State Festival, which is to be held in the month of May 20 to 24, 2025? Aj Shiri Lily Festival saurudale he will organizing chairman kipakla. Pass.
Governor of Manipur.
Correct. 5 points for serial number 7. Okay. Next, question number 7. Serial number 7. In which country Eiffel Tower located?
France.
Correct. France. 10 points. Serial number 8. Which Asian country recently legalized same-sex marriage in 2024? Shina waina shina nga kumbaye mena na mena nga kumbaye da 2024 li country akana Asia nei pasa gani. Which Asian country recently legalized same-sex marriage in 2024? 3 more seconds.
Thailand.
Correct. 10 points for set number 8. 9. Which state was declared as the happiest state for the second consecutive year in India, according to the Indian Happiness Index report released by Happy Plus, consulting in early April 2025. Happiest, ringpa mai thui ji state. Achakum la shin na kuye, ajikum la shin na kuye jine. Achontang April li, aji, yes.
Goa.
Wrong. Set number 10.
Kerala.
Wrong. Set number 1. Mike chasing Milo. Adem Sabaye, no negative Boeing. Yes. Wrong.
Tamil Nadu.
Wrong.
Indoor.
Huh?
Indore.
Wrong.
Sikkim.
Wrong. Nearly.
Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh. Correct. 5 points for serial number 5. Okay, the last question. The last serial number. Okay. A 19-year-old climate activist from Ukhrul, Tanghul, has been honored as a young climate champion at the prestigious Earth Care Award April 2025 by JSW and the Times of India. Who was he?
도전소 징요.
Correct. 10 points for cell number 10. Tochanso Zingyoli Ajontang climate we champion declare Sagmine. Second round Gubaire. Ara last round ne hili question Jishat Nahanra Pangkangka Rebali Atamira. No negative marking ne he ishi mangali bomb the clipping na. Please say na light bahi atumli mathed lai. Okay, ibava. Okay. Inami masheng tu isne thed lai ha. Ilya mujut lai la. Okay. Hili plus point ungsaura. I mean round 1 we mark tally saji kubai cover. Please say na et sama manau say. Okay. Question jishat nganra pangkangka grepale adam mira thaya cover 10 points ra khanishida adam sapai mira. Khayang milo ila taw bevak. Answer mahlo pangkangka reolo yang daga adam migi jine. Ready? Okay. Here audience na strict samai kharko ishiba. First question. In which year Instagram was founded? Okay.
2020.
Wrong. Next.
Two 2010.
Correct. 10 points for cell number 4. Next. Question number 2. Who was the father of Indian Constitution? Yeah? Okay.
Dr. P.R. Ambedkar.
Dr. P.R. Ambedkar Rao. 10 points for serial number 3. Next. Who murdered Mahatma Gandhi? Huh? Kunuk babaji la kayang milo kutong ya sakam rogai da kunuk bashi ngening bayra ya meninga ai ngening bayra juga. Next question. Ari baje job chai jaw la ya. Okay, next question daw sai thayega ya. What is the process by which plants make their own food? Yeah? Okay, cell number 10.
Photosynthesis.
Correct. 10 points. Next, how many? Oh, plus points are like third round. Yes. How many United Nations members states are there as of 2024? Cell number 8. Okay. Mike Milo, lagamam sunga next for Lirara.
190.
Correct. 10 points. 192. Cell number 8. Please na kathak paji nishina nishuya na valid sare ya maninga arajli koso na ona la iram dal hangbai maning mla ya. Next, Education Minister of India is black. Oh, yes.
Dharmendra Pradhan.
Correct. 10 points. Serial number 4. Last second. Question is hangi kaguk ngarami lo please. As of March, ajontang March ini, which country has been ranked as the world's happiest for the 8th consecutive year in the world according to World Happiness Report? Ina magubranga khangai la sakwa sagwa. Ha. Lagang wi salu ya. Tamo gubranga da hangde na jigda hasdo. Okay. Aruiji magma mimra ka ki country to
Finland.
Finland, Iceland,
Iceland.
Nishiva. Finland. Okay, correct answer is Finland. Yeah. Katala Larry Baja points ma mimra. Kala share ya. Chena quiz changna jiga exercise sagi no. Tak jigda la darga south vegan ya. Okay, last question. Shila guy, 3 words and the question hanra. Pangkanga milo laga at house. Who discovered zero? Kujiba. Here. Okay.
Aryabhata.
Aryabhata. Correct. 10 points. 1, 2. Serial number 6. Jo, please ana. Tak lagi na. Et sam yolo. Laga 1 to 6 kapang miolo. Okay. Ya really question akang hansa ka ne. He thaya khawa phone masing milo question deu kha sangra. He thaya khawa in a iwi quiz master we kido pangshap chause chichin laga naramui unitly 5 points at sapaira gaji mira yang pangkhanga milo laga jibaji mira plus hili ORS seng seng la origin baje nali ina mira yang aching ya we pangshak urum sang kafai pangkhanga milo helicos ne yang mialo zo nani ORS chiklo da machuk thera ko nani ba okay he points out that he talan yang milo yang crucial say what significant historical event occurred on this day achi yang achi hitran significant salakai akashok jide on this day April 28 in the past to gadamli. This question is related to Second World War 1945 li kashok ne a friend of Hitler wing so now ne and the leader of fascism will leader ne Kibam Rao. He was captured and murdered ali tukhilaga sakathat ne Hitler wing so now fascist will leader Italy wena kibarado cho net la yang bai re ka tha kaina 5 points ramui ma yang da pangkhang ka lo mui kha naramli negative marking ma milak mra cho correct Benito Mussolini ya fascist leader ali Italy we kathana no ali tukhilaga sadat gaini yang April 28 aching ya song chak ka timing le kha awi kada sido never delegate ka khida da delegate nim yang kha naramli points ma sang mira jaw la manim la sang mira jo amai dam sing awi ram na ringwi li 5 points at sam yo lo jo 5 points serial number 2 okay taga mang je do mang je ne ya 1 to 6 pa shok myaw ge laga ka tai ping ji ta mi bai ra ya 1 to 6 pam bai ra pam gi je serial number ping jang myaw ge roll number the young attendance quiz is the serial number 1 serial number 3 4 5 8 9 10 chiping ji pamilo katai bing ji na jinguma next li sambang le pang lai na ga famous so participants ka dong wi bang pang la ga na ga familo okay ta de aru ina bang ka shok kai dim serial number ji limma jang ka ba tami baira chora serial number ka thar jamor kai bing na chair ka dai ji kutaus yes chair ji kutaur serial number jak shida ka thar sam ge ji ne Serial number 1 to 6 no. Mike jump với sao? No.
Hello.
Serial number 1 na jili bam bilo ya. 1 first 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Congratulations, Team Tharukli. Congratulations, me. All the best. First round here, rapid fire rounds. 30 seconds li maximum question answer han ka bera. Janari baba pura fierce har. Hili serial number 1 li opportunity mirror and envelope Tharukli da klai here. Question 1 to 6 set sa any envelope pongkhi milo. Laga ili mira ina shup laga chili jang da klai question jin na ling hanra 30 seconds we along lin nang han ka gi jine rapid fire we norms kala chui criteria ba jam hang mi limra ka 30 seconds exactly issue we timekeeper na times up the hang mi baira serial number 1 le atam mi dale any envelope na ka pongki milo. Question number 4. Bayi vang ngin kam milo mic chi shok tale kam shok tale yang milo. Okay ka sheng da hang se maning ka wa even 1 second hi important sa dak leni question ko ka response milo. Okay, ready, your time starts now. Which article of the Indian Constitution defining a money bill?
110.
Correct. Which is the longest freshwater lake in India?
Lake in Kashmir.
Correct. When did Nagahoho and Myanmar Naga merger agreement was signed?
Pass.
What is the currency of United Kingdom?
Dollar.
Wrong. Who is the defense minister of India?
Time's up.
That's nothing.
Time's up. Question mati phanga manghanga la tam tai re chena thak mai da sabai ra. Next, serial number 2. Ariji nishina kamchungji nani ina correct kangji 3. Yes, 30 10 10 10 30 30 serial number 1 30. Okay. Serial number 2, big serial number, question number 1. Okay. Your time starts now. What was the theme of the 2024 World Youth Skills Day?
Youth skills for peace and development.
Correct. When is International Day for the Abolition of Slavery observed?
December 2.
Correct. Oenam decisive battle took place in which year?
Pass.
What is the name of Indian film industry?
Pass.
Who was the first president of America?
Time's up.
Time's up. 20 points. Chena thak mai dang hangalo mathe ka pass salo. Yes. 20. Okay. Serial number 3. Your time starts now. What was the theme of the 2025 International Women's Day?
Accelerate action.
Correct. When is the National Education Day celebrated every year in India?
11 November.
Correct. In which year second ceasefire between government of India and NSN was signed?
1992.
Wrong. Who is the father of modern science?
Pass.
Which is the longest river in the world?
Nile.
Correct. What is the smallest bone in the human body?
Time's up.
Okay, 30 points. Question number 3, set number 4. Okay, your time starts now. What is the theme of UN Human Rights?
Our right, our future, right now.
Correct. What was the name of the operation launched by the Indian government to evacuate?
Operation Brahma.
Correct. The NSF was formed in which year?
1947.
Wrong. What is the most abundant metal in human body?
Pass.
Who was the second president of India?
Pass.
Which is the highest civilian award in India?
Rana. Bharat Ratna.
Correct. Who is the
Time's up.
Union Home? Okay. 30 points. Next. Serial number 5. Your time starts now. Who directed the movie The Godfather?
Francis Ford Coppola.
Correct. Which international organization has provided military support to Ukraine?
NATO.
Correct. 2. In which year Nagaland separated as the state of India?
Pass.
Which city is located the Statue of Liberty?
Repeat. Repeat.
Which city is located the Statue of Liberty?
Pass.
1 kilogram is equal to how many grams?
Time's up.
So the question repeat. Masabay eliminate. Okay. 20 points. 20. Yes. Last serial number 6. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, serial number 6, your time starts now. Which Indian company launched the country's first electric tractor?
Sonalika tractors.
Correct. Olive Ridley is the name of which species?
Turtle.
Correct. In which year Shillong Accord was signed?
1975.
Correct. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct. Which country is the host of Ukrainian defense industrial base?
Pass.
New Chief Minister of Assam.
Time's up.
Okay. 40 points. 40 points. That was the first round of the final round. Next. Next round. Next round we envelope Chukuram. Okay. Okay, the second round we question hida the sara aribava. Ara hibahiva time limit mangwa mraka 7 seconds ling han ka plungra envelope li a set of 4 questions each. Hiva direct ne no passing round. Serial number 6 in a hobogra and any envelope big sara hili category ngate the question mati direct question ne mateka pass masamara kaya riling hanra ya rigateba jeli hili isna mi khangi ji mira ya. Okay. He sports with question aga jang sara current affairs aga jang sara chiki aga jang sara the serial number 6 na pigra samela envelope. Yes. Okay, nganinga milo. First question. No negative marking, okay? Which 4 European clubs will play the Champions League semi-final tomorrow? Aramangaya akama Champions League semi-final ngaugi gi team mati.
Next.
Okay. Yarwina ki bana hang shabro country mati je. Arajli. Tada join the vow la. And? Arsenal and? Correct. cho issue cái đang cái ali ors chi miao lo cho hi tiêu là bay chung là bay thật là issue plus boy nè khẩn li issue cái ban à khi bác là đâm một chút rek là mất thế cái anh mang ở đó ra lại mấy thế. Okay, second question. Full form of CID. Itum CID đấy à? Full form of CID. Take your time. Try sabai.
Central Intelligence Department.
Masuk naka Central Majimnik Crime Investigation Department. Okay, the third question. Second World War begins in the year. Second World War Zingum Hogapok.
1939.
1939, correct? 10 points. Last question. Which river is called the Holy River of India?
Ganga.
Correct, 10 points. So they scored total 20. Next, number 5. Okay, first question. Who has won the most Grand Slam titles in men's tennis? Not table tennis, tennis, long tennis, Liang. Who has won the most Grand Slam titles in men's tennis?
Pass.
Okay, pass. Msamra. Kibado? No, yes, correct. Kibado je? Chiva milagolo jo. Novak Djokovic. Djokovic telah hangi. Okay, second question. Full form of DGP, ABCD.
Director General of Police.
Director General of Police. 10 points. Which is the longest highway in India?
National Highway 44.
Correct. 10 points. Last question. How many millimeters are there in a centimeter? How many millimeters are there in a centimeter? You may try. Okay, time up. Kiban dito. Masung dali ka ten dag akon ka thum chaire bhasha grammar ya. Okay, pami bayra ni shu question jili bayare. 20. Hello. First question. Declan Rice, who was seen in the news this month, plays which sport and team?
Football, Arsenal.
Correct. 10 points. And Arsenal is my team. Second question. Full form of PWT.
Public Work Department.
Public Works Department, correct? 10 points. August 27, 1948 was declared as a murder day by the Nagas on account of no tax campaign. It was spearheaded by 6 Naga leaders. Among them, one was TANGKHUL. Who was he? You may try, non-negative marking. 1948 Lee.
Swisarungsung.
Wrong. The correct answer is Rishang Kaishing. The last question. What is the name of the first country to use nuclear weapons?
USA.
Correct. 10 points. So total 30. Next. Serial number 2. Okay, first question. The Argentine team was the champion of the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Name the head coach of the team. Argentina team. Head coach.
Scolini.
Correct. Lionel Scolini. 10 points. Next. Who is known as the king of pop in music?
Michael Jackson.
Correct. 10 points. Full form of NEET. N-E-E-T.
National Eligibility Entrance Test.
Correct. How many months of a year have 31 days?
Pardon?
How many months of a year have 31 days?
6.
Wrong. The correct answer is 7. Only one of them. So only 30 points. Next, set number 2. First question. The Olympic were originally held in which country?
Greece.
Mike Chimushok Chilang. Okay. Sheng Maida.
Greece.
Greece. Correct. 10 points. Full form of CV. CV. Mathiture. Third. When did the Battle of Kohima was fought? Okay. How many affiliated colleges are there in Ukhrul headquarters? College. How many affiliated colleges are there in Ukhrul headquarters? Try Sabai. Nearly 3. Okay, 10 points. Cell number 1. First question. Who is the current captain of the Indian men's cricket team?
Rohit Sharma.
Correct. Full form of NOC.
No objection certificate.
Correct. Name the hottest state of India.
Rajasthan.
Correct. Who founded Facebook?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Correct. 40 points. China adang in hog bogle hangai ne hiva 50% luck ne 50% itu mu queen dog ne yang pick kasali legai ne. Okay, China second round ne akashida ashui points ne set number 1 to 6 total points.
Serial number 1, 70 points. Serial number 2, 30 points. Serial number 3, 60. 4, 60. 5, 40. 6, 60.
Okay, third round here, visual round. Issue with operator being, issue with technician being na kang John below. Visual round. Projector li amagap mirror he kipagala gaji atumna identify sagi jini. Are bawa set number 2 aina. Sorry, atang are ji kijan habok to? 6, 5 aina habok ra. Yang 5, 4 data dongra. Yang Yarwin Jordan la khang milo kup sangra da le ya. Okay, he ready sadal laga yarwili question na khang hana gone laga hi ga thei ba hi liver ors chi khani milo anang sok bambali la share sar no maning mla ya a wi ga them manga ina tangku dwe nang hanu ko hi ba english and lang hana question akamang ready sa salo mi akali lemon jang hai laga mami khrar chili shepsi tuena ki hokla. The one who is unable to pay one step. Tangku tuena mi akali lemon jang hai laga mami khrar chili shepsi tuena ki hokla. Tiu ji no. Kido. Okay. Option matimira heli ngangamilo. 1 proc, 2 due, 3 bankrupt, 4 insolvent. Insolvent. Mengpo gain dia. insolvent da mahang ga manga ga yang okay ana ma sungai re cho sir how ka pa yor yes serial number cho hi yong mi lo 5 pa shi Adam kilo take your time issue we like do problem ke wo le de le ka dala la thai shap ta le yang ma hilin da bai re azing le da bai re
Zelensky.
full line mang dera taga awi designation la hang lo taga
President of Ukraine.
correct Zelensky the president of Ukraine correct 10 points for set number 5 set number 4 so kami bai re yes
Lamine Yamal,
designation
footballer
from
Spain.
correct 10 points set number 3
중국.
huh
중국.
Jungkook designation na
BTS from
yes singer from
South Korea.
South Korea 10 points next yes Himate huh okay he have a bus mazan bra kibata hi yari Carlos Alcaraz okay next
Elon Musk,
oh wait designation na
CEO, SpaceX founder.
53 years old, one of the richest men on earth. Okay, 10 points for set number 1. Okay, last. Hello. Okay. Hikibado.
Steve Harvey.
Yes, correct. 10 points. Kibado iba with designation hangela.
Family Feud we host.
Family show we host.
Okay. American comedian ne television host ne. Huh? Okay, correct. 10 points. Okay, that was the third round. Actually, fourth round. Kopsang rata lay. Okay. Very important round. MCQ ne question khani ni hili sampangra thaya cover den ne ma thaya cover minus 10 sare ngui cover MCQ one at them laga jingui sa cover minus later set number 2 pick anyone 2 3 4 da kara meaning milo first question, a person who betrays a friend. So only betrays actually kihokla. A, cheat. B, hypocrite. C, traitor. D, disloyal. Correct. 10 points. One more question. How many MB makes 1 GB? Huh?
1024. 1024.
Correct. 10 points. Yeah. Option ma mirang ka 10 points. Next. First question. How many degrees does a right angle have? A. 90 degree, B. 180 degree, C. 240 degree, and D. 350 degree.
90.
Correct? 10 points. One who sacrifices his life for a cause is called A. Patriot, B. Revolutionary, C. Murderer, D. Soldier.
Patriot.
Wrong. Minus 10. The correct answer is murderer. Okay. Next. Okay, the first question. With which country India has the longest international boundary? A. Pakistan, B. China, C. Burma, D. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Correct? 10 points. Second, government by king or queen is called A. Theocracy, B. Monarchy, C. Anarchy, D. Oligocracy. Government by king or queen is called A. Theocracy, B. Monarchy, C. Anarchy, D. Oligocracy.
Monarchy.
Correct. 10 points. Okay, the first question. Microorganism can be seen only with A. Telescope, B. Microscope, C. Endoscope, D. Otoscope.
Microscope.
Huh?
Microscope.
Correct? 10 points. One who possesses many talents. A. Nubile, B. Exceptional, C. Versatile, D. Gifted. Talent kachunga ka pungjili kyogre. One who possesses many talents. A. Nubile, B. Exceptional, C. Versatile, D. Gifted.
Gifted.
Wrong. Minus 10. The correct answer is versatile. Yes. Pick anyone. First question. What is the basic unit of life? A. Atom, B. Tissue, C. Cell, D. Brain.
Cell.
Correct. 10 points. Next. A person who brings goods illegally into the country is called A. Importer, B. Scammer, C. Fraud, D. Smuggler.
D.
D. Correct. 10 points. First question for set number 1. Which bird is a symbol of peace? A. Sparrow, B. Dove, C. Nightingale, D. Hummingbird.
Dove. B.
Wrong. 10 minus. The correct answer is nightingale. B. The killing of a human being is called A. Homicide, B. Legicide, C. Patricide, D. Fratricide.
Homicide.
Correct. 10 points. So, chili kyoto teri meri hoya. Okay. Last second round, we called the audio round. Yeah? In audio round, sorry. Kim avuvuli la kani nahanra aka mashunga cover 5 points, kani mashunga cover 10 points the hiva only 5. Okay. We shall begin from serial number 3. Okay, so from serial number 3. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Jire. Hiva big masamra music kongra laga chui audio ji mashunga ma mashung klag ji yang re. Okay, guy kali 8 seconds kong mira, lawa ya tissue guy kali 7, guy kali maximum 11 ay natang da kong mira, ya ripping na. Aw ane jimahang milo, hi madala kena shabaka song title kala singer baje hang milo. Ka title mahang sala singer je masunga ka 5 points mira. Okay. Yes. 1. Start.
Georgia.
Yes.
Until I found you.
Until I found you, and the singer is Stephen Sanchez. Okay. Until I found you, Stephen Sanchez. 5 points. One more. Kanine.
Girl, I know mistakes were made between us two, and we sure are.
Egon. Yes, correct. 5 points. Total 10 points. Next, number 4. Second song.
All I know.
Singer bahangi jne. Okay, mamusung ture. Next song.
Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight?
Enrique Iglesias.
Yeah, correct. 5 points. So number 5. Yes.
By Rose. By Rose.
And?
Bruno Mars and Rose.
Correct. 5 points. Next.
Alice is right. Oh, I don't know why she's leaving or where she's gonna go. I guess she's got her reasons, but I just don't wanna know.
Yari Manglo? Smokey. Yes, correct. 5 points. Total 10.
I just woke up from a dream.
Bruno Mars. Die with a
And?
Smile.
Bruno Mars and?
Lady Gaga.
Correct. 5 points. Next.
MLDR Blue Night.
Correct. Total 10. So number 1.
Talk about it. How you broke my heart.
Okay. Yari Kilado, Kipansado? Origin. Correct. Next.
Imagine if I went along on that wonder moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us.
Okay, Matay Kipansado Yari. Correct. Hello, points masamang turaya. Last, so number 2. Okay. Kibado? Bon Jovi, yeah? Bon Jovi. Okay, last.
We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all.
Yes, correct. 5 points. Okay. REG important round ne. Please send the etsa salo last round buzzer round sare jeli kup sang augi jini ya. Etsa mi salo aksida ya. Etsa de ka question khani ngan sa ga ya really ishi or spoke and khura ga ne jangat wa hi khui lagong se raw se. Jo hi take fine name. How many districts are there in Nagaland? Hi khan theru do. Nagaland le district kya le? Jo ishi kai na fat myolo. Nagali le she da itum lia Nagali wa chang plung da ranam la kho la ga mathem le. Okay, 11. Thing sangai da ji gahang ne. All the tribes, history go akshidang namilo. All the tribes of the Nagas had a full discussion on the future of the Nagas for grading greater cohesion, and thus NNC was formed. When was Naga National Council was formed? NNC transformed sato? 1946, correct. Jo, Chimilo. Thing sangai da ne. Ara hili direct question ngahan ga bai ni kha na ga wi kharjan sau de in hita da ka patanga yeng na milo AZ Fizo, the then president of NNC, ara NNC wi president Saksa Baji, refused to acknowledge the existence of Shillong Accord but failed to condemn it, whereas Isaac Su vice president and TH Muiva, general secretary NNC, not only refused to endorse it, but also condemned it. On failing to get condemnation from Fizo, Isaac and Muiva formed a new organization known as NSCN. When did NSCN IM was formed? 1980. Mililo. Tadana na kuisero lo musung dele. Dada kerjanji thing sangai da ngan sa jigo et kubela. Okay. During the World War I, First War, 1917, how many Naga tribes from all tribes were deployed in the war theaters in Europe as part of the labor corps? Again, correct. Mililoli. Asnaka Kharjan Mathalan Badalea. Ari by Mathenikla Yang say India Wagan Yang. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Nguidele hang alakana mushungi South India ne. Correct. Canada ka baj limology. Ishi kait bana wing so no bali ngum da mizatele. Kunuk bali Canada ka jbali. Jo bangkhang melo. Ari Canada ka baj. Na mangolo ki gam dam ne mang leng. Okay. Hang myo say serial number 1 total yarwi na akshidang namilo. Serial number 1 total 80 2 55 3 84 95 5 60 and 600. Okay. Ara hilithera final round ne ya. He buzzer round ne ka jangkhat wa itumna itumi kedo ketiau ka upgrade sa sa sig jiba buzzer jin nam la ga sa gi jine ka pang ka khangai na sa lui gi jine ka ari baba truk mang sau da thesha bra ya ishi first line and second batch na tiau ka monitor samilo ya question chiko mang le dele ya hi hili kang phan ga vai solo ari baba pang khangai la ga mathe mane mang han gam ram jiba akshi khangai ka nang han gam lung ra la ga jingwe ka minus le ra ya akashi da pang khangai ka ana ngahan ka plung ra lagang wi ka minus sa gi jine yam okay last round go here final round ready young milo which is the tallest building in the world? Okay,
Burj Khalifa.
correct. 10 points for set number 4. Number 4. Second question. He question teo ka sangko ka rai milo invalid saur ko hi bai yang tangkhul wine on which date in April 2025 was the mass rally held in Ukhrul headquarters by all TANGKHUL civil society organization under the leadership of TANGKHUL Nakalong in relation to the free movement regime FMR. Okay. April 2. Correct. 10 points. Serial number 5. Ajontang April 2 li release the FMR we Maramina. Third question. Which song won the 2025 Heart Radio Music Award for the Song of the Year? Which song won the 2025 Heart Radio Music Award for the Song of the Year? Okay, the correct answer is Make You Mine by Madison Peer. Next, what city is known as the Eternal City?
Rome.
Correct. 10 points for number 4. Okay. Next, which city is known as the Black City in India? Okay.
Dramatisch.
Wrong. Minus 10 for number 3. Yes. Try salo. Correct answer is Kolkata. Okay. What is the name of the treaty that ended First World War? Yes?
Treaty of Versailles.
Yes, Treaty of Versailles. Correct, 10 points for set number 2. Okay, last questions I'll go in now. Yeah? The one who eats everything is called? Katong shaiji. 2, yes.
Glutton. Glutton. A glutton.
Wrong. Minus then again. The one who eats everything. Yes.
Omnivorous.
Correct. 10 points for set number 3. Okay, total sara lagang ngai ja saga in the question lagang answer ya actually the total sum yo lo jo. Hili first, second, third decide sa kalau da ji kup kai ne kamu gubrang sa ka question aka rafra. So yar really question aka ngana we laga masung orias kya dai le do. Phanga dai le ka tong ya li myo ra ya. Laga simli la khung bai ra ya. Myo lo. Mati. Aka na khu lu ga la. Okay, no ning ko lo jo. Na yar we ashi points count sa lega just one question. Practice of having many husbands is called Privakana. घर द्राख लेजी चिली की होक लग जने मशुंग न के कब्रे घर ना आकने प्रेव के चुंगा को कोई बाली बोली गेम में कोहने कब्रे वबाना घर के चुंगा को कोई बाली बंगते ये कितो पोलियंट्री जो किपादा और जी बंकांग बिलो अस ओआरएस जी मतीने आका मंगाओ लो कथुम जी नवे कोंना बिली यो मैं यो ला यो रो लो बा 50-50 है ना Okay. Adang serial number 1 li MCQ li ina khang to dai da mistake dio le gai ne jena ji ina question khang li which bird is a symbol of bees ka jine ji the new serial number 1 ji mushroom gai ne ya jena ji minus ji plus sang gai ne ara total points ak hang mi gai na total serial number 1 li 100 2 55 3 80 4 115 5 70 600 serial number 6 aina serial number 1 hi 100 kui gani na serial number 4 na 115 serial number 4 ji 1 2 3 4 dalui na first square second ni khani leo da akana third top lungra akana second kui lungra jena nani li question hanaura ina aka laga pang khangka gre baji ji baji le 10 points aura kalangui sa khava ji minus salaga ji baji third daura mashung sa kana na clear saura plus salaga 1 and 6 okay the pang khangka gre yang milo 1 and 6 yang fear saline sa milo the International Labour Organization ILO observes 28 April Ajune as what special day? Ajimayondale governmentally, I mean international, yeah? World Day for Safety and Health at Work. Ajine, yeah? For crew. Ushunka on the second quira, we got the third quira. Pay me say, so, tabayre, please.
Participants ko dong ali ning schnaire kala razang mi kahai ito natum psychorul ning schnaire winners bingli congratulations ara itum na prize yaw miao say jena first passion ra khoi miruno laga jiwi prize issue with former president S Ningjibe for anar prize mikarano First, the Louis. Ashinara Kuimiruno. Second, Ngaingu. Third, Pali.
Ajung yawi program hili ngazangaire ka itum kuguzang winning si meeting kita itum psychologist bang sakbuda akham chimik show ngaran haide gale psycho hi kathar gapongina ngaran haide gale psycho hi kathar gapongina itum enjoy sha sakoi itum psycho rel pangsap ilo the itum li ngatang khme chishim de sak sane amen